What is up, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I'm going to be doing a little 8K video test here on the OnePlus 12 at 8K 24 frames per second with the rear-facing camera, because that is the only option available here on the OnePlus 12. Currently taking a little stroll here on my electric board. As you can see, they're absolutely beautiful day today, but this is going to give us a good idea of what stabilization is like as well, because this is all handheld. I'm not using any tripod, any gimbal or anything like that, just my hand. So this riding on this board right here will give us a good idea of what stabilization is like. Also, let me know what you think about sound quality as well, how well the mic is picking up my voice. Got some background sounds around me. Now, I do got to say that there will be no cuts, no edits in this video, because unfortunately I don't have a video editor that can edit 8K videos, so I can't go take a bunch of different clips and then put them all together. But what I can do, the OnePlus 12 actually allows to be able to pause the video during recording, just like this, and then boom, start it up again just like this, just straight from that same video recording itself. So at the same time, I really don't have to worry about having an actual video editor that can edit 8K video. But I will say that when recording 8K, it does crop in the video a bit, which does help with stabilization. But if I'm doing everything handheld like this, if I plan on recording myself, or for anybody, you are going to have to hold it out as far as you can, like I am now, because I'm pretty sure it looks like my face is closer to the camera than it actually is. So you're probably seeing all of the imperfections on my face right here. But if the OnePlus 12 does allow me to add music to the background of this video within the OnePlus 12 video editor itself, I'll try and do so. If not, I'm gonna go try and see what else I can capture here in 8K, and you guys can just enjoy the scenery and the sounds of nature around me. Okay, so my electric board just died on me. I guess that means it's the end of the video. Gotta walk back to my car, or I can push it, but it's a little hard to push without the I guess because of the, I don't know, the motor could, I don't know. It just makes it harder because of the fact that it's an electric board. But anyways, enough about that. What do y'all think just about overall 8K video quality here on the OnePlus 12? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below, just about the overall quality when it comes to detail, color, stabilization, sound quality as well. Let me know down in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.